Eat it!
Oh, it's recording.
I know. Eat it! Eat the bug! Eat the bug! Feed me, Seymour! Did you bite it?
No!
Eat it!
Almost.
This is the ultimate bizarre food challenge! We're challenging Natalia to eat an insect. So, ladies and gentlemen, here's the background. We went to the Museum of Natural History, and in the dinosaur era, we found lollipops that have real live insects made of lollipop fossil.
You're such a dumbass. Okay, here I go.
You gotta eat it. You gotta eat it.
You didn't even eat it. She flung it out the window. She's like, I got. What'd you say?
I didn't.
You had in your mouth?
I had a fucking wing in my mouth.
What'd you have in there?
A wing. A wing. Wing in my mouth. Threw that shit out the window. I lost. But now, to win the ultimate bizarre challenge, it's in your mouth. Swallow it. I think my McDonald's is coming up. Ew, babe, you really ate it? You gotta brush your teeth before you give me a fucking kiss. What does it taste like?
Oh, that.
What's it taste like?
It's so gross.